Hello, welcome to the first part of the Python programming language tutorial. In this video, we will install Python together and write our first program with it. Very well. You can download Python from its one site. After downloading, click on the installation file and install it. Remember to enable the add Python to patch option. After that, you install this software Visual Studio Code. We open the software. You go to the extensions section and install the Python extension and Python debugger. Just search for the name of the Python and it will bring up the extensions. Let's create our first Python file. Click on the file option and then create a new file with a name of your choice with the extension py. Let's go to the first Python command, which is called print. The purpose of this command is to print our texts. For example, we will do this: print the opening and closing parentheses and put our text inside double quotes, for example, hello world. Now we press Ctrl and F5 to run the program. Look, the hello world command was printed for us in the terminal. Thank you for watching the video. I will be very happy if you like it and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.